Well, power PCBs replaced. And I'm one of the ones who write. There's some guys who don't like when guys write on the panels and stuff like that. But I believe in letting, if I'm not here or my son comes out or I come back out 5 years, 10 years later, I know that the power PCB and each one of these have been replaced on this date. These are already just hitting over 10 years old, and one went down. So you do all three, you don't even bother questioning it, because the caps dry out. Resistor, these things have been on 24/7, never turning off. So these are getting replaced right now, and these should go another 10 years, 15 years, 20 years with their original compressors. As long as you don't let the refrigerant run low and you don't have oil traps that stop oil from coming back to these compressors, there's no reason why you don't get 20 or 30 years out of the compressors. No reason at all. All right, see you guys later.